I was Paisley Gilmour Street today because of the Network Rail train on the timetable and just some general food.
The first catch of the day was 1G07, the 1306 Scottish service to Gilmour from Glasgow Central. This is 1K29, the 1310 Scottish service to Ayr from Glasgow Central. And then departing was 1W29, the 1310 Scottish service to Wimsby from Glasgow Central. This is 1F64, the 1313 Scottish service to Glasgow Central from Ardrossan Harbour. This is 2K79, the 1314 ScotRail service to Ayr from Glasgow Central.
Somebody nothing.
This is 1G08, the 1325 Scottish service to Glasgow Central from Gilmour. This is 2G57, the 1324 Scottish service to Europe from Glasgow Central. This is 1C58, the 1326 Scottish service to Edinburgh from Ayr. This is 1K32, the 1332 Scottish service to Glasgow Central from Ayr. The 1328 Scottish service to Ardrossan Harbour from Glasgow Central. This is 226D, the 1332 Network Rail service to Falkland SS from Slateford Depot. This was doing some recordings of the tracks, it's just one thing that they do every once in a while around Scotland. Then we went to grab some lunch and went back, and then this was 1T15, the 1559 ScotRail service to Largs from Glasgow Central. Then coming flying by was 1K34, the 1401 ScotRail service to Glasgow Central from Ayr. Then this is 1G09, the 1407 ScotRail service to Gilmour from Glasgow Central. And then yes, you can also hear my gran in the background singing and dancing to the driver.
Hold your horn. Thank you.
Then this is 1K33, the 1410 ScotRail service to Ayr from Glasgow Central. Then this is 1F66, the 1409 ScotRail service to Glasgow Central from Ardrossan Harbour. This is 1W26, the 1411 ScotRail service to Wembley Bay from Glasgow Central. Then coming round the bend was 2G48, the 1413 ScotRail service to Glasgow Central from Gilmour. Then this is 2K83, the 1414 ScotRail service to Ayr from Glasgow Central. Then this is 612C, the 1416 Colas Rail Freight service to Grangemouth, I don't know how to pronounce it, Ineos, from Brestwick BP Oil. This is 1G10, the 1422 ScotRail service to Glasgow Central from Gilmour. This is 2K86, the 1425 ScotRail service to Glasgow Central from Ayr. Then departing there was 2G51, the 1423 ScotRail service to Europe from Glasgow Central.